Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today I'm going to be installing this beautiful body wave unit from Sunber Hair, y'all. I know y'all here because the thumbnail is fire, but look, this is an elastic band that comes in your box, by the way. So y'all going to get that little fun trinket in your box, which is definitely necessary because elastic bands gets very hard to find. But yeah, I'm just spraying the lace with my Ebon New York tint lace spray, and then we're going to go ahead and floss this hair, show y'all the pattern. This pattern is amazing, you guys. So I just did the basics by just plucking at the hairline so I can get it to what it needs to get to for my liking. And I didn't torture you guys with this process, so we just skipped a lot of that part because yeah, it can get a little crazy. But the combs are placed amazing on this unit, y'all, so y'all don't have to worry about that. I did get a cap small, I believe, but it will be linked in the description box below. I decided that I wanted to remove the lace as soon as I popped this bad boy on because it just was really perfect. And sometimes when a lace fits really perfect, you want to go ahead and have control over it before you like put it all the way down with your Got2b glue or intact it with your Got2b glue, because if you make one little mistake, you just might not have enough lace. So, or you might not be covering what you need to cover. Hopefully that makes sense. But sometimes with my colored units, I have to do this because it can get real sketchy a little bit, you know. So I'm just removing the lace, trying to make it as perfect as possible and making sure it's covering my natural black hair, you know. So after we got that down pat, I'm just going to go in with my Got2b glue spray and just adjust it because like I said, it's so easy for this to like move around and get like, you know, a little wonky because of the placement being so perfect. So I'm just using my rat tail comb just to ensure everything is placed properly and also making sure that Got2b glue gets tacky a little bit. So just trimming the ends because I actually plan on straightening the hair for y'all. So giving it a little trim just makes it look healthy, full, and you know, we always love that. So I'm using my blow dryer just to blow the hair out and get that body wave loosened up a little bit. You know, they store their body wave in that certain like uniform curl. It just is super hard to actually get that out by just using a straightener. So blowing it out will just help loosen it up. You can even blow it out on cool. You don't have to add any extra heat. And it will also cut down your straightening time versus you trying to go straight in, trying to press the body wave out without doing this. Now, I thought the hair was so beautiful straightened, but I also felt like it didn't give the hair as much character as it needed to because this hair color is so beautiful. So I decided that I wanted to show you guys maybe 2 weeks later what the hair looks like curled. And that's kind of how you got the look in the beginning in the intro. So I'm going to come and talk to you guys in a minute, a little chit chat or whatever during the curling process. So stay tuned for that. So it's a couple of days later. I put the same shirt on just so we can have a little cohesiveness going on. I have a new background. Welcome to my new humble abode in my background. It's so cute. I love it. I'll touch on that in another video. But I want to go ahead and get this hair curled for you guys. So I'm still rocking Sunber hair. And I just have the hair halfway pent up because I'm going to be doing some really cute curls into this hair and keeping it more on the tighter curl spectrum than like a looser curl. The hair is still parted on the side and I just want it to look a little bit more, you know, elegant. And I'm just low-key a perfectionist. Like, I just felt like the straight hair really wasn't hitting with this hair color. Like, it was cute to let y'all know that the unit was versatile, but I feel like it really didn't give the looks that it was supposed to give. And I love this hair color, so I really wanted to do this hair some justice. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and curl the hair for you guys. But let me tell y'all what I have planned for today. So that's why I'm trying to go ahead and get this video out the way and upload it for you guys because it's Sunday right now. But you guys, I'm like so antsy about doing a bob on myself. Like, I want a really cute bob kind of bob. Like I really want that just to be flowy, like really flowy. And it's gonna be a full get ready with me. Today I was just putting out a whole bunch of outfits because on top of me wanting to do like a cute little get ready with me full like outfit, hair, makeup edition with you guys with the bob, I am also going to Miami. So I've just been like putting out a couple of different outfits. And I really don't know how I want to do my hair for my birthday. The theme for my birthday is completely different than what I would normally do. I never wore this color before on my birthday. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it at that because I don't really want to tell y'all too much, because I really want to do like a full like up to my birthday type of situation, like a little vlog. So I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on and what's tea in that content. One thing that I did different with my makeup today, well, I did actually two different things with my makeup. So I tried a new contour product that I'll put y'all on to that, and then today I used a different setting powder. So in the get ready with me, I was gonna just like try them out for the first time in the get ready with me. I'm glad that I was able to like at least test it out without y'all like knowing, because honey, like I already know now what I'm looking forward to. I tried it out just how I would put on Laura Mercier. I will have that powder all over my face. What I'm seeing right now is like very chalky. Not that like chalk white look, but it just gives texture. Like you can see what's going on underneath my under eyes. And I'm just waiting for it to settle in. I really just finished doing my makeup. We don't like that for the under eye. So I'm going to try not to use so much the next time I try this out, which is going to be today in a little bit, and see if I just need a little bit. I also noticed that it felt really tight underneath my under eye when I was setting my face. So yeah, never has happened to me before. I'm gonna stick by my Laura if not. So, you know, just playing in makeup, because sometimes it really does get a little bit repetitive when I'm doing my makeup and I want to try different products. I'm always trying to test out new contour products. That's one thing I don't mind buying and trying out. Y'all, let's give tea about this hair. So the hair was definitely giving you guys when I first took it out the pack, and I was so here for it. Love the quality in its natural state, like in its body wave state. But when I had straightened it, I felt like it gave, like, I wouldn't say Synthetica, but I'll say Synthetica's cousin. You know, obviously it's not a synthetic wig because you can curl it, you can put heat on it, you can manipulate it and all that stuff. But it's just something about, you know, the luster. When it's in its natural state, it's everything. But it just really wasn't hitting on much when it was straightened. So I just felt like, you know what, I got this really bomb curling iron. Y'all know how I feel about my T3. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like curls. So that's basically why I'm here. Once again, I think this color suits my complexion so much. My ginger hair installs, I do not like anything too orange, like I might be talking about my copper units, the ones that come copper. I definitely do dye those too, but like I said, if it's too orange, I'm always having to put like some type of like red tint on top of it, and sometimes they consider it like a auburn hair color in stores. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So I just knew when I seen this one and it came already like in this color that y'all was going to love it, especially if y'all love some of those previous installs with this type of hair color. Oh, and the bob is going to be a little bit different. I do plan on doing it really blunt but short. Like I want it to be like right here. But I have this vision. I have the full fit, and I'm not really sure how I want to do my makeup. Something different. But even though I'm wearing shades, I'm not going to think too much about the eye makeup. But I just know that you guys want like a sit down, chatty on a type of video. So I miss doing those with you guys. A jean jacket and a jean pants with some like print on it. That would look really good with this hair color. But ask your girl if she has that. I don't. Ask your girl if she's gonna go and buy that. I'm not. It's Sunday and it's getting late. I'll list all of Sunber's hair information in the description box. I'm so glad that I decided to come back on camera just so I can show you guys a different look with this hair. It gives the girl's body yachty, but a little elegant body yachty moment. So as you can see, I decided to pin the hair up and it just looks so good, if I do say so myself. Everything to Sunber Hair will be linked in the description box below, y'all. I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye.